Hello everyone, this is Devayani Khedkar from Bharat Vidyalaya. In this video, we are going to discuss how slope formula is used to check whether the points are collinear or not. Let us take this example. Determine whether the following points are collinear. We have to check points A, point B and C are collinear or not. We have coordinates of A -1, -1, coordinates of B 0, 1 and coordinates of C 1, To check, we will first find slope of line AB and then slope of line B. To find slope of line AB, consider two points A and B having coordinates -1, -1 and coordinates of B are 0, 1. Let us assume that coordinates of A are x1, y1 and coordinates of B are x2, y2. So our x1 is -1, y1 is -1, x2 is 0 and y2 is 1. And by putting these values in slope formula, it is y2 minus y1. Slope is what? y2 minus y1. Our y2 is 1 and y1 is -1. So 1 minus negative in bracket -1. And here x2 minus x1. x2 is 0 and x1 is -1. So 0 minus 1. We know that product of two negative is always positive. Therefore, this is 1. Then minus into minus we get plus and 1 as it is. Here also negative into negative we get positive. So it is 1 plus 1 divided by 0 plus, that is 2 upon 1, and we get slope of line AB is. To find slope of line BC, consider two points B and C. Coordinates of B are 0, 1 and coordinates of C are 1, 3. Let us assume that coordinates of B are x1, y1 and coordinates of B are x2, y2. So, putting values of x1, y1, x2, y2 in slope formula, we get slope of BC is equal to 3 minus 1 upon 1 minus, that is 2 upon 1, and thus we get slope of BC is 2. Here slope of AB is also 2 and slope of line BC is also 2. Dear student, one most important note is that parallel lines have equal slopes. Parallel lines have equal slopes. Therefore, here slope of line AB, it is 2 and slope of BC it is also 2, and therefore we can say that line AB is parallel to line BC. What we have proved here, line AB is parallel to line BC. Why it is so? Because parallel lines have equal slopes. But point B lies on both the lines. See here, line AB and line BC. Here is also B, here is B, and therefore we say that point B lies on both the lines, and therefore figure will be like this. And from this figure we can infer that points A, B, C are collinear. Let us see next example. Find K if PQ is parallel to RS and P is 2, 4, Q is 3, 6 and R is 3, 1 and S is 5, K. Here we have given PQ parallel to RS. PQ parallel to RS. And we know that parallel lines have equal slopes. And therefore we can infer that slope of line PQ is equal to slope of line RS. And we have slope formula. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus. Let us find slope of line PQ. Consider points P and Q. P is 2, 4 and Q is 3, 6. Let us assume that coordinates of P are x1, comma y1 and coordinates of q are x2 comma y2. That means we have x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to 3 and y2 is equal to 6. Putting values of x1, y1, x2, y2 in formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, we get here 6 minus 4 upon 3 minus 2. At the same time, see here right hand side, here slope of line RS. Consider 2 points R 3, 1 and S 5, just assume that coordinates of R are x1, y1 and coordinates of S are x2, y2. Putting values of x1, y1, x2, y2 in this formula, we get slope of line RS is equal to k minus 1. Here y2 minus y1. What is our y2? It is k. What is our y1? It is 1. So it is k minus 1. Here x2 minus x1, that is what? 5 minus 3. After solving left hand side, we get here 2. After solving right hand side, that is k minus 1 as it is, and 5 minus 3 is 2. We get k minus 1 upon. After cross multiplication, here 2 2s are 4, we get k minus 1 is equal to 2 into 2. That is, we get k minus 1 equals 4. Adding 1 to both the side, we get k is equal to 4 plus 1, and thus at last we get value of k is